Hey, let's discuss more about the other interview questions because they tell me something about yourself. Watch out for these questions and my tips on how to answer them. First, why did you apply here? I applied here because I saw your post online, you're hiring, and I need a job. That's why I'm here. Teka, bago ang lahat, it's better to do some research about the company. Huwag yung puro si X lang ini-stalk natin online at ang bago niyang jowa. Ikaw din ang masasaktan. Here's a sample answer. I applied here because I've read online that your company has great career growth opportunities and a friendly work environment. I'm looking forward to be part of that extensive growth while being at ease with my job. Second, what's your weakness? Teka, baka sagutin mo na siya. Huwag tayong marupok mga repa. Here's a sample answer to that. My weakness is I always work hard and sometimes unable to take enough rest, but recently, I was trying my best enough to manage my time. Third, why should we hire you? You need someone to fill the position. I am available, so you should hire me. Ops, huwag demanding repa, kaya ka iniiwan eh. Here's a sample answer for you. You should hire me because I'm a fast learner. I can multitask and actively listen. I know I'm going to be a great addition to the team. Diba? It's easy acing those questions moving forward. Kaya mga repa, huwag kayong matatakot. Kung sa pag-ibig nga, willing to take risk ang motto mo, bakit hindi natin i-apply sa trabaho? Watch out for more tips mula sa inyong ka-office mate na maraming hugot. Bye!